Mega love ka shoutout, welcome to Pure Stoneheart and welcome to my channel. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa akin, so please do hit the notification bell so that you will be able to be contacted or you will be recommended on my channel for my next videos. So once again, this is Pure Stoneheart, like and subscribe my channel. And now again guys, for my favorite video, I received another order from my favorite online guys again. So it's a sale. So I opened it, this one guys, again another pair of shoes. Wow. How many shoes I have, but I don't know. But I will open this one and I will again, I don't want to brag, but here is all. I will do the unboxing for you guys. So I ordered this one 2 days ago. Supposedly it was delivered yesterday, but it wasn't. The delivery guy wasn't able to deliver yesterday. Office close to Sheffield Alley. So this is one. So let's open it, guys. Again, I did an unboxing before. I ordered in this online. That's the only shoes that I received na hindi ko siya gusto, and I hope this one is better now and reality versus expectations. Let's see. You will be the first to see this one, guys. Wow. Oh my God, this is how it looks like. Again, yes, this is really nice. Good. Yes. Here we go. So the color is orange, Adidas. This is Adidas. The size is made in Indonesia. The size is 9. The color is really an orange, one of my favorite. My favorite color. Yes, the other one is this one. So again, I really love the color. This is really the color that I love, because when I saw this one online, I felt attracted with this one. So when I ordered and it came now, and satisfied customer here. Thank you so much guys. Do like and subscribe my channel, share. Thank you so much. This is Pure Stoneheart. Thank you so much for being with me in this unboxing. Thank you.